Hello and welcome to Azel's Technologies. I'm Amit and today we are going to learn the first part, how we are going to start the coding. So if you haven't watched my previous video, please watch the part 1. This is part 2 of the video. So we are going to start how the HTML work. For working on HTML you require simply an editor. So HTML editor we are going to write. If you are using Windows or Mac, so you will find a free editor there. So right now in Windows we have Notepad, or in Mac we can use TextEdit, that is available in Mac. So how we can make it start? You can just press start and run window R. You can press window R from your keyboard and just write Notepad. So this is a simple notepad you are going to create, and in this you can write the codes. It's just like HTML, and then your head section, then your title, and title close, then head close, your body part, and the body close. Now at the end HTML close. Now this is Notepad, but it is not going to work at all unless we are not going to save it. So I'm just going to save it, file, save as, and I'm creating a folder in my E drive. That will be my So in my HTML, this is my day1.html. So now I have put it .html. .html is the file extension name. So if you will not put extension name, the file is not going to work. So you can either put .html or HTML. So just like you have seen that when we are using Microsoft Word, we used to save file and the extension of file is .docx. Excel is .xls. When you listen any musical file, album or something like this, you have .mpeg or mp4, this kind of video. So similarly we do have this .html, and this .html tells the browser that how this file is going to show whatever the data is there, how it is going to display on the web browser. So web browser automatically understand that it is this file, and as I will save it, you will see on my F drive. So this is my first day1 file. So I'm just going to click it and you see. So now this is the body section. This is the title, and now we are writing. So we have written so many codes here, but only this much is coming out. So as I explained in my previous video that HTML, when you are writing codes, so in browser these all codes are not going to display, only the codes between the opening. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. So between the opening and closing tag only this thing will come, and whatever the code we want to write, we have to just write inside of the body. These are the unique codes that you cannot repeat HTML twice, you cannot repeat head section twice, you cannot repeat title twice. Everything whatever is here so far, it is only for the ones. So if I talk about HTML structure, this is the HTML structure. Now further learning or further things will be adding here. So this is the one editor I'm talking about. This is Notepad, but there are so many other versions of Notepad also. You can find this Notepad++, and easily you can find and download it from the internet. Just search on Google that you are looking for Notepad++. So it is a free of cost. And here, what is the difference between using Notepad and Notepad++? You can use it when you will be writing the code. So let's say that I'm writing a code, there is a sample index C. So you will find out the difference, that what is the difference in it. you see that when you are writing the codes in traditional notepad, it is simple, without colorless and nothing is there, but here you will find out that HTML and all the tags are in a different colors, and when you are using something it is very different. So just say that I'm using a paragraph, P stand for a paragraph. I'm writing, hi, this is my first program, and I'm closing here P tag. Now you will see that when you are clicking, it will be showing that where it is opening and where it is ending, but unlike here, if I will do the same thing here, it will not tell me that from where it is opening and where it is closing. So it is very tough to find it out. That is why many programmers use Notepad++, and there are some other Notepad also, so you can find it out. So this is the text editor, we call it. So I will suggest you to go for the Notepad++ or the simple Notepad. So it's your wish that where you are feel comfortable. But before creating any file, let's say that you want to create a new file, so you create a new file, and if you will write this entire code, this is the HTML code I copied and I'm pasting here, so you won't find it similar. So now there is no color because you have not saved the file. For looking like that HTML file, you have to save it. So I'm just saving it simple try2.html. So now you can see that as I have saved it in the name of HTML, so it has again changed its color. So I hope so you have understood that how this notepad is going to work. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification. Thank you so much.